Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and use custom uniforms in Madden NFL 27. First, go to the creation center from the main menu. From here, select players and uniforms and then choose edit current uniforms. Now you'll be able to choose the team whose uniforms you wanna customize. So select whichever team you want by pressing L2 on PlayStation or L2 on Xbox. For this example, let's go with Eagles. Once you have selected your team, you can switch between the different uniform options like custom home and custom away. Let's say we wanna customize the custom home uniform. Select it and then you can go through the different parts of the uniform like the helmet and make whatever changes you want. At the moment though, some of these options may not work properly depending on the EA servers. So if you are unable to make changes, it could simply be a server issue. But normally, you can customize the different parts of your uniform, and once you're finished, go back and make sure you save your changes. Now let's see how to actually use these custom uniforms in a game. Go to quick play and then create a custom game. Select the team you customize and before you ready up, choose edit uniforms. Here you'll be able to select the uniform you want to use. So if you customize the custom home or custom away uniform, make sure you select the appropriate one. You can also choose a custom helmet if you made changes to one. Once you have selected your uniform set, just go back, ready up and you're good to go. And that's how you can create and use custom uniforms in Madden NFL 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.